As the day begins, there exists a single, powerful force hope. At Abhilasha in Udaipur, a new day unfolds, not just with the rising sun, but with the boundless possibility held within each of these young women, a chance to rewrite their stories.
So the vision of this program is to empower the girls who do not get opportunity to afford the education and support from the family where they can go into IT sector or explore this sector.
Abhilasha, a catalyst for change. A unique program dedicated to empowering underprivileged girls at a Vidya Bhavan campus, hand in hand with Nav Gurukul. More than just a school, it's a journey taken together. A journey where they find strength in each other.
So they learn how to deal with different sort of people. Professionalism, etiquettes उनके develop होते हैं. बहुत सारी चीज़ों में उनको अपना skill building tech wise, non tech wise करना होता है in a very short time period. And then after learning these skills, moving on to the real life project, industry based projects.
They're mastering skills once thought beyond their reach, like acquiring coding expertise while also honing crucial soft skills. Learning how to communicate in English and how to lead, how to collaborate.
We done the thorough interview process. We have got team from here, from the HR and the multiple functions. And proudly speaking, right now we have 5 girls already onboarded. They are doing well from last 1 month. Yeah. So yeah, it was a good decision that we think.
It's so much more than just lines of code. It's about forging unbreakable bonds, embracing your unique gifts, and blossoming into your full selves. This transformation program, designed to fulfill dreams, welcomes around 100 girls from 86 towns and villages across Rajasthan, each one a reflection of perseverance.
एक उम्मीद है लड़कियों के लिए जो रूरल एरिया से आती है, उन लड़कियों के लिए जिनका पढ़ाई करने का सपना बहुत कभी-कभी अधूरा रह जाता है.
The Abhilasha program provides a transformative opportunity to rewrite one's story. Since 2016, this initiative has offered year-long residential courses in software programming. Recognizing that many participants require additional support, the program provides assistance to help them catch up on their studies before diving into coding. Understanding that Rajasthan is a diverse region with its own customs, Abhilasha has worked diligently to encourage girls to join and remain in the program, all while navigating the expectations of families and communities. Abhilasha has cultivated strong relationships with local companies, adapting its curriculum to meet their specific needs. Witnessing the girls' success and knowing that Abhilasha is making a tangible impact on their lives and communities makes all the effort worthwhile.
हमारे गांव की सिचुएशन ऐसी है कि लड़कियों को बाहर नहीं जाने देती. फिर पापा बोल रहे थे कि मुझे मेरी बेटी पे विश्वास है, उसे अपनी लाइफ में फ्यूचर में कुछ अच्छा करना है तो वो पढ़ के आएगी, कुछ ऐसा करके आएगी. उसके बाद जब मेरी जॉब लगी ना, तब मेरे घर वाले फैमिली वाले सब बहुत खुश हैं मुझसे.
They test their mettle, build strength, and fortify trust. Empowered with essential skills, self-confidence, hands-on experience, and a thirst for knowledge, these girls are ready to pursue careers in software engineering, data analytics, and a world of possibilities, becoming leaders of tomorrow.
अभिलाषा की वजह से सर मेरा तो बहुत कुछ फ़र्क पड़ा और सर उसकी वजह से आज मेरे को जॉब मिल गई है और फिर मैं जॉब करने के बाद अपने घर वाले को, छोटे भाई बहन हैं सारे, उनको पढ़ाऊंगी, आगे बढ़ाऊंगी, फैमिली को देखूंगी.
After coming here, I have worked on myself a lot as a person. I also see myself, my future shaping into one of such big firms and contributing my skills into them.
The Abhilasha program. More than an initiative, it's a transformation, empowering a new generation of fearless women to architect their own destinies and together build a brighter, more equitable, more innovative world. One line of code, one bold step, one empowered woman at a time.